Okay, so we're having a quick review of time signatures for simple time signatures. Simple time signatures divide our beats in simply parts of 2. Yep. So if we have 2, 4, we know we have 2 beats. What are the value of these beats? They're quarter notes. 2 quarter note beats. 2 beats, each have a quarter note. 2 beats per measure. Beat note is a quarter note. If you divide the beat, we're going to get 2 8 notes, 2 quavers. Beat note is a crotchet. 2 crotchet beat notes, they can be divided into 2 quavers. And that's our 2/4 simple time. We have another simple time here, 2/2, or cut time, 2 minims, or 2 half notes. Okay? Those of us who do a lot of jazz and stuff, calypso, quick time music, we're going to see this cut time signature, this cut time sign here. 2 beats, we said 2 minims. Here we are, 2 minims, 2 half notes. I hope you're seeing this clearly. Yeah, 2 minims. If we divide our beat note or minims, we're going to get 2 quarter notes, right? Each minim is made up of 2 quarter notes. So our cut time, 2 minims per beat, 2 minims per bar, sorry. Each beat is a minim. They can be divided into quarter notes or crotchets. We have 3/16. This is triple time. 3/16 mean we have 3/16 beats. 3 beats, each the size of a 16th note. There are going to be 3 of these beat notes, 16th notes. Yeah? To divide our 16 notes, we're going to get our 30 seconds, 2 30 seconds per 16th note. 3/16, hope you're seeing this clearly. 3/16 means that we have 3 beats, each of them value of 16 notes. They can be divided in half by 2 30 seconds. Another triple time, 3/4. More common, we call this a waltz as well. 3/4. 3 quarter notes. 3 quarter note beats. They can be divided into 8 notes. Pretty straightforward. 3/4. 3 quarter note beats. They can be divided into 8 notes. We have 4/8, quadruple time, 4/8 notes. Here we are, 4/8 notes. Divide 8 notes, we're going to get 16 notes. I hope you're seeing this clearly. 16 notes. 2 beams, 16 notes. Yeah? Hope you're seeing this really clearly. Take this off. I hope this is a little clearer. 2 16 notes. Yeah? 4/8, 4/8, 4/8 notes, 4/8 notes. If we divide the 8 note beats, we're going to get 2 16ths. And here we have our common time, C, or 4/4. 4/4, 4 beats, 4 quarter notes. 4 beats, 4 crotchets to our bar, or measure. Each beat note is a quarter note, each note is a crotchet. We cut our crotchet in half, we divide it. Of course, we're going to get 8 notes or quavers. So you see simple time again, a quick review. Simple time, duple, duple, triple, triple, quadruple, quadruple. Duple means 2 beats per measure, 2/4, 2 quarter notes, 2/2, 2 minims. Triple time, 3/16, 3 quarters, 3 quarter notes. 4 8 notes, 4 8 notes. 4 quarter notes, 4 crotchets. Yeah? So at simple time signatures, duple, duple, we have triple, triple, we have quadruple. Okay? Pretty straightforward. Now, let's do a quick review of our simple and compound. Hope you're seeing this clearly. So time signatures summarized really quickly. It's pretty straightforward. There are 2 types of beats, simple and compound. We just revise simple. We said they are beats, okay, made up of 2. And we have compound, which are divided by 3. Yep. If we are not sure about compound again, you can always go back and look at the previous video where we have compound time, where we see the beat notes are divided by 3. Simple time, the beat notes are divided by 2. So here are the 3 common meters. We just looked at the meters: duple, 2, triple, 3, quadruple, 4. These meters apply to simple and compound both. Okay? And here we have some examples of the simple and compound using our 3 common meters: duple, triple, quadruple. Here we have duple. I hope you're seeing this clearly. This is 2, 4. You know, 2 quarter notes, 2 quarter beat notes in every bar, every measure. Here we have 2, 2. We said this is cut time, 2 minim beats every measure. That's duple. Let's look at compound. Compound duple. We said there are groups of 3 in compound. We have 6, 8. 6, 8 means that we have 2 groups of 3. That gives us our 6. Each of these notes are 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our 6, 8. Next to that we have 6, 4. 6, 4, I hope you see this. 6, 4 has 2 groups of 3 notes. These beats are quarter notes. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're made up of quarter notes. Yeah? Let's look at triple. Triple, 3 beats. Hope you're seeing this. We have 3 16ths. 3 16ths. Simple triple. 1, 2, 3. 3 16 notes, pretty straightforward. 3, 4, or waltz time. 3 quarter notes, 3 crotchets, 1, 2, 3. Let's look at triple time for compound. We said compound has groups of 3. 3 groups of 3 gives us 9. 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Compound triple, groups of 9. 9, 8. It can also be 9, 16. Yeah? So you see the difference between triple and our compound. Triple, simple, just groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 16ths, 3 4s. It could be 3 8s. When we become compound, it needs to be 3 groups of 3. So it becomes 9. 9, 8, 9, 16. Let's go back to duple. Duple, simple duple, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2. Because compound time has groups of 3, it needs to be 2 groups of 3. Compound duple, 2 groups of 3, it will always look like 6. 6, 8, 6, 4. Let's come on down to quadruple. Yeah? Quadruple. Quadruple simple, just a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarter notes, common time, 4 8 notes. Compound quadruple. Compound quadruple, we said 4 groups of 3. 3 fours are 12. So we're going to see a 12 on top for our time for quadruple compound. 12, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. That's 12. 12 could be made up of 12 8 notes or 12 quarter notes. Remember, they're all groups of 3s, so there are 4 groups of 3s. 4 groups of 3 8 notes, 4 groups of 3 quarter notes to give us our 12. So compound duple, 2 groups of 3, we get 6. Compound triple, 3 groups of 3, we get 9. Quadruple compound, we get 4 groups of 3, we get 12. Compare that to simple. Simple duple is 2. Simple triple is just 3. Simple quadruple is just 4. So simple is straightforward. 2, 3, 4. Right? Our 3 common meters. 2, 3, and 4. When it becomes compound, you multiply by 3. 2 times 3 gives us 6. 3 times 3 gives us 9. 3 times 4 gives us 12. So here we did it. We did simple and compound time signatures, or 3 meters, or 3 meters, duple, triple, quadruple, and we compared duple, triple, quadruple for simple, 2, 3, and 4, and compared it to compound, which would be 6, 9, and 12. So simple is direct, the number duple, triple, quadruple. Compound, 2 times 3, duple, 3 times 3, triple, 4 times 3, quadruple. So please review the lesson before on compound times as well and compare the time signatures.